Hello, my name is Pratish Nair. I'm the founder and CEO of Miles School of Branding and Advertising and Agency. I believe students need to identify this, that they are a product. Okay, they can have many certificates, they can have many endorsements, they can have experience from various companies and all. That is all good. But ultimately, when you are out there and you want one of the best companies to hire you, your branding, your packaging, that has to come out. We always hire the smart person, and personal branding is the best way to be the smart person in the room. They have to be amazingly good at their communication skills. They should embrace their failures, and if they think that I'm not good at something, and most importantly, they should have a good story to tell. A very good story to tell, because we love underdog stories. You were no one and you are someone fantastic. Shahrukh Khan came from Delhi, he has become someone, we love the story. Mahendra Singh Dhoni came from Ranchi, he has become someone, we love it. Sachin Tendulkar failed in 10th, he became someone, we love the story. We love an underdog story. If you have a great story to tell, the world will give you an opportunity. Most of the times, kids only give them a resume and their certificates. That does not speak for you. Today, AI can do that for you. I think so. That is something that they have to practice. We all have a story to tell, and we love stories. When we sit together, when we are gossiping, that is a story. When we are passing information, that is a story. When we are talking about the future of AI taking over our society, that is a story. But all this happens on a one-on-one basis. As a person, we have a story to tell. How can I better it? For that, I have to be exposed to a lot of people. I have to say my story to many people and see how people respond to it, and time again improve it. They should be relevant. Relevant is today. What is there today will not be there tomorrow, and what is there tomorrow will not be there day after. So if they are not relevant today, I don't know how will they be doing anything in digital marketing. If you look at how the world has changed, an ad in a newspaper is to legitimize that it is a legitimate business. But we carry a cell phone with us, and our cell phone and our AI knows what we like and what we don't like. So they give us a big dopamine hit and then ask us to buy a product. So that is relevant today, and I think so it is going to be relevant in future, but in a different form. So relevancy.